Hi there, and welcome to Woodstock Public Library's fourth and final summer how-to video. My name is Ellen, and today we're going to learn how to make easy and delicious summer sangria, perfect for those warm summer nights. Sangria is a staple summer drink for many, as it is fruity but not too sweet, and can easily be made without alcohol. Today I'll go over how to make sangria with wine, but we'll also go over how to switch ingredients to make it non-alcoholic. Summer always makes me think about strawberries, so the sangria we're making is a twist on the classic recipe. I'll be using rosé rather than red or white wine, and lots of strawberries. Both options include the same ingredients, with one obvious difference. For non-alcoholic sangria, we will switch out the rosé for grape juice. The ingredients you'll need for both the non-alcoholic and the alcoholic options are 2 quarts of fresh strawberries, 2 lemons, an orange, and lemonade. You'll also need a pitcher to make the sangria in. So, to start, we're going to slice our fruit. Make sure to remove seeds from the lemon and orange, but leave the skins on, and put them into the large pitcher. Now, remove the leaves and stems from your strawberries and halve them, or quarter them, adding them to the pitcher. Next, add 4 cups of lemonade and mix. Pour your bottle of rosé in and mix again. If you like a little bit of fizz in your summer drinks, you could also add 2 cups of sparkling water. For non-alcoholic sangria, all you have to do is switch out the rosé for grape juice. It will taste great. Now you can pour into a glass, add some ice, and enjoy your sangria. There are lots of different options for making sangria out there, and you may want to tailor my recipe with your own personal preferences. But you can use this recipe as your base and go from there. Or, for more summer drink ideas, check out these books from the library. Best to Summer Drinks by Ray Foley, Healthy Cocktails, Easy and Fun Recipes for All Natural, Low Sugar and Low Alcohol Drinks by Matt Dorsey and Jenny Dorsey, and Porch Parties, Cocktail Recipes and Easy Ideas for Outdoor Entertaining by Denise Gee. Thank you for joining me, and have a great night.